Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix registry editing has been disabled by your administrator. Pop-up displays, registry editing has been disabled by your administrator. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click User Configuration. Click Administrative Templates. Click System. Double-click to open, prevent access to registry editing tools. Check Not Configured. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.